Hello everyone, welcome back again to SelfCAD channel with SelfCAD basic tutorial how to combine surface models with edge and vertex option. For example, I have these 3D surface models and I will combine these two surface with edge option. First, you can select this objects surface and then you can use mask plus background view. The next, you can use edge editing. You can click at this edge. And to combine into this edge, we can use snap tools. You can click here snap, and then we can click insert point at this edge. You can click, and it will be automatically this edge will be moved into here. To editing this edge, you also can click again at this edge, and then we can use move tools. You can move into blue axis, or we can move again into green axis to the top here. Okay. For the second example, we can combine surface models with vertex. For example, I will click at this object and then we can active vertex option. The next, I will click at this vertex. Okay, you can select this vertex and you can use snap tools and then you can move into this point. So the vertex will move into this vertex. You can close and then we can select again at this vertex. You can use we can select this vertex and we can use a snap point again and then we can move into this point. For the next, we can select at this vertex and you can use a snap tools again and then you can click at this point. Now the vertex will be moved into the specific location. You also can editing for this vertex. Okay, like we can move to the right axis, or you can move again to the green axis, okay, to this point. So it will be very easy to combine surface models with edge and vertex option. After we combine all objects, you can select these three objects and then we can use this option merge object. So the surface models will be combined into one. Okay, enough today for SelfCAD basic tutorial how to combine surface models with edge and vertex option. If you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.